Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today tutorial how to exact standard way calculation of ring steel. Who are new on our channel, subscribe, like and share. Let's gain knowledge. You can easily calculate on site. We have ring dimensional picture. Ring diameter is 3 souther. A equal 1 foot 6 inch and B equal 12 inch or foot. Hook is 35 degree. Concrete cover is 1 inch. Now how to exact ring calculation according to standard. Let's start. Ring calculation formula equals 2 into A plus B plus 2 into 12D. 2 for opposite and for 2 time. And 2 for double hook. 2-inch concrete covering subtract for both opposite side. Convert inch into feet, divide by 12. Watch the ring shape. We subtracted the values of concrete covering. Total ring length is 5.04 feet. Thanks for watching.